Vine borers destroyed 2 of my squash plants, and I'm going to show you 2 ways you can save it. One broke off and I put it in a bucket of water so that it can root. Then I put it in some good fertilized soil so that it can start to grow. And now we see it and it has fruit on it again, so it's saved. Alright, y'all. I saved my squash plant. I have vine borers there, and I covered it up with dirt, and it kept growing. I didn't dig them out because I couldn't find it, so I just put some powder on it, and then it just kept growing. As you can see, I got 2 off yesterday. These are the ones I cut off. And then I have a bunch coming and going. You can see them. Got a bunch of them on there. Got a bunch of those babies. This wheel right there. And right there. So you can save your plant. I watched the video and it showed me that it's trying to get fungus on it. But I just sprayed it down. You see? It got it. You can see it. But I'm going to cut that off probably. I missed that one. But I put powder on them and I sprayed the copper fungus spray. So hopefully that stops it. It did stop it on my cucumbers. And those are the ones I cut off. So you can save your plant. You really can. It was a struggle, but I saved it. Thanks for watching. Bye.